Okay, here we go, Kipsters. This is lesson 20 area. And this is question number 7. Once again, we are ignoring the answer choices in the brain strategy. The B stands for block. So block those answers out of your mind. And let's just look at the question. What is the area of the figure below? Nice. Pretty simple. I see an irregular polygon. There's no way I'm using base times height for that. That's only for quadrilaterals. This thing has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Not going to happen. All right, so the first step in any problem like this, I really want you every time to find the lengths of the missing sides. So I see 12, 5, 8, and 9, but I don't have the length of this side or this side. And in order to do that, and we've done this before in the past, we really have to go step by step and look at the horizontal sides first. So here's one horizontal side. That's another one. And the third one is the missing one up here. So just stare at the red lines. You got the 12, the 8, and the blank. You ask yourself, is the blank side, the missing side, the largest of the 3 sides? If the answer is no, then you subtract. And it looks to me like the answer is most definitely no. So to find the length of this side, all you do is take these 2 sides and subtract them. 12 minus 8 gives you 4. So the length of this missing side is 4. All right, we've done the horizontal ones. Let's do the vertical ones. I got my 5 right there. Let's shade that in blue. Got my missing one right here. And I got my 9. So I point to the missing one. Are you the biggest side? No, that's the biggest side. If the missing side is not the biggest side, then once again, you subtract. I have 9, subtract 5. This side also ends up being 4. So first step, always find the length of the missing sides. Now we can find our area. And we find our area by cutting the shape. I don't care how you cut it. You can cut it this way if you want, or you can cut it this way if you want. I'm just going to choose this way. So I have this big area here. And I'm going to call that area 1. And then I have this little pequeño area that I'm just going to label as 2. So I need to find the area 1 and the area of 2 and add them up. So here we go. The area for the 1 is base times height. So I need to look at this shape and say, what is the base? That's the base of the shape. I see right there it's 12. That's the height of the shape. So the area, make sure you're copying all this down, please. Base times height, area equals 12 times 5. Probably do that in your head. If not, don't freak out. Do it on the side over here. I'll show you. I'm the man at math, and I still do work on the side. That's right. Yeah, buddy. 5 times 2 is 10. Keep the 0. Bump that plus 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. So far, 60 for the area of this part. Now let's go to baby side number 2 up there. Area is base times height. This, I'm going to darken this thing like crazy, is the base. This is the height. Now, I don't have a number here for the base, but I do know that this is the same length as this, and I know that this side here is 4. So believe it or not, the area, still base times height, the base, we saw it right here, is the same as this, that's 4. The height, right over here, is 4. Simple to do. In our head, that's 16. So we have 60 and 16. Our final step, the area of 1 and 2 together. The whole thing is going to be 60 plus 16. Again, I haven't even looked at the answer choices yet. I'm so confident in my math skills that it's going to be there. 76. Let's go on over. There it is. Cross this out, cross this out, cross this one out. 76 is our answer. Once again, the steps to find the area of an irregular polygon like this one. Find the lengths of the missing sides first by shading in the bold facing the horizontal lines. Then do the same for the vertical lines. Cut it up and find the sum of the area of the two areas that you make when you cut it. There you go.